Alright, you clicked on this video. You know what this is. But let me just say, sneezing does actually cause back injuries. So if you get sick a lot, or if you're sick right now and you want to avoid back pain, don't turn your nose up at the proper way to sneeze. Sneezing involves a large, exaggerated jerking motion in our core muscles, which carries a high risk of sprains and strains, especially in our lower to mid back muscles, because those muscles are smaller and they're more injury prone. Here is the ideal scenario to follow for a safe sneeze. Keep a neutral, forward-facing body position with a slight bend in your knees. If possible, use your arms to support yourself on a table or to reduce the strain on your back. As you sneeze, lean slightly forward, distributing your weight between your legs and your supporting arm or arms, and then let her rip. Now you're probably thinking, hey James, what about the mucus? Well, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about the mucus. Frankly, the biggest hazard for a sneeze, it is the spread of illness. But since we're talking about the ideal sneeze, a face mask can be worn and used to limit the discharged sputum. Now obviously you may not have time to grab one, but if you're at a high risk of sneezing and you're out in the public, you should probably be wearing one, or at least have one on you. So this would apply to you, but more practically, you're probably barefaced when beginning to sneeze, and time is of the essence. If so, follow the previous tips, but also bring your elbow up to your mouth and nose and sneeze like that. Don't bring your nose to your elbow. Bring your elbow to your nose. Like this. Wow, I feel great. And that's it. If you follow those guidelines, you will be perfectly able to sneeze safely all day long. Every sneeze will be a breeze. So drink plenty of fluids and stay safe.